Good morning, dear students. Welcome back again. I hope you all got there at home. Okay. So, as I told, as I discussed, we will discuss the question number third and fourth of exercise 9.2 in the next class. So here comes the question number third and fourth for exercise 9.2. And before going to start, I hope question number 1 and 2 is clear to everyone from the previous video. So if any doubts, as I already told, write in comment box. Few comments I got. Okay. So let us start with the exercise 9.2 from question number third. First part. 9 upon 2 into minus 7 upon 4. Okay. So it's as I told in the previous class, the rule of sign convention. Minus sign is multiplied with positive numbers, means minus rational number, negative rational number is multiplied with positive rational number. The answer will coming in always negative. Okay. So now you just focus on the numerators multiplication and denominators multiplication. 9 sevens are 63, 2 4s 2 are 8. No need to worry anything. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आपको न्यूमरेटर का न्यूमरेटर से मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिनोमिनेटर्स का डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So multiplication and division is quite easy in comparison addition and subtraction. Multiplication और division बहुत आसान है रेशनल नंबर्स के, लेकिन in comparison addition और subtractions. Okay, here we don't have any issue that find LCM. We just simplify, nothing else. If the things will cancel out with the common numbers, then we will go ahead. Otherwise, we will just multiply it, nothing else. Now look at this second code, 3 upon 10 into minus 9. So the answer is coming, that is negative, because of minus the negative rational number and positive rational number. Okay, so 9 3 27 upon 10. So the second part is very easy. These are answers, don't worry, these are answers. And third part, minus 6 upon 5 into 9 upon 11. So nothing will cancel out with the common table. So just multiply and do it. You know that this is negative rational number, this is positive. Answer is coming in negative. 9 6 are 54. 11 5s are 55. This is the answer. And I am talking about fourth part. That is 3 upon 7 is multiplied with minus 2 upon 5. Multiplication of rational number is easy, as well as division is also easy, don't worry. So again, this is negative, this is positive, so the answer is negative. 3 2 are 6, 7 5 are 35. देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में क्या था, एक नेगेटिव एक पॉजिटिव. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. थर्ड क्वेश्चन नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन positive negative. That means in every question up to fourth question, one is negative rational number, one is positive. So answer will coming in negative always. If means one is positive, one is negative, answer will come in negative. If both are positive, answer positive. Both are negative, answer positive. Both are negative, answer positive. Listen to me. Both are negative means both rational number will be negative, but answer is coming in positive, right? In multiplication, division, both. Fifth part, 3 upon 11 into 2 upon 5. So it's very easy. 3 2 are 6, 11 5 are 55, because both having plus sign, so answer will be in plus. And sixth part, 3 upon minus 5 and minus 5 upon 3. Look here, 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5, and minus 1 will also get cancelled out. That means each and everything will get cancelled out. Then gives you 1. Okay. So similarly for question number 4, first part, now in division. Okay, first part, that is -4 is divided by 2 upon 3. In division you just need to focus. If there is nothing will be the numbers in the denominator, write down the numbers 1 in the denominator. So -4 upon 1 divided by 2 upon 3. Okay, now what need to do? Okay, here, so answer is coming in negative, as I already told. If one is negative, one is positive, in multiplication division answer will be always negative. Please keep this in mind. अगर एक नंबर आपका, एक रेशनल नंबर आपका पॉजिटिव में है, एक रेशनल नंबर आपका नेगेटिव में है, तो आंसर आपका मल्टीप्लिकेशन जब करोगे, डिवीजन करोगे, आंसर आपका किसमें आएगा? नेगेटिव में. ओके ओके. So now 4 upon 1. Now in division, the number which are written after division or later division, you can say the number, the sign of this one will be, sorry, make it reciprocal. That will 3 upon 2, and division sign will be converted into multiplication sign. यानी कि आप डिवीजन में क्या करोगे? मल्टीप्लाई साइन को डिवाइड चेंज करोगे, डिवीजन साइन को चेंज करोगे मल्टीप्लिकेशन में, और बाद वाले नंबर्स को चेंज कर दोगे, उल्टा कर दोगे. नाउ यू विल गेट द आंसर. 4 are 12, 2 1s are 2, and you can simplify this one also. 2 6 are 12. So -6 is the answer. Okay, second part, -3 upon 5 divided by 2. Okay, right? So -3 upon 5, keep it same, and we will write 1 here, and multiply division sign change into multiplication, and this will be reciprocal, that is 1 upon 2. Now the answer will be coming 3 1s are 3 with their negative sign, and 5 2 are 10. This will be the answer. Okay, third part now. Third part, -4 upon 5 divided by -3. Now as I told, if the numbers having both the negative sign, the answer will be coming in positive in division and multiplication. यानी कि आपको दोनों नंबर्स अगर सेम साइन के होंगे तो आंसर किसमें आएगा? पॉजिटिव में. बाकी प्रोसेस आपको पता ही है. डिवीजन फिलहाल -3 upon 1. Now you will change the division sign into multiplication, and this will be changed down. This goes up, this goes down. So minus sign gets cancelled out. So 4 upon 15. 4 1s are 4, 5s are 15. This way the question number third part is solved. Now moving to the fourth part. Okay, fourth part, that will tells us -1 upon 8 divided by 3 upon 4. So it's very easy. -1 upon 8 multiply in 4 upon 3. So this will be changed, multiplication sign changed. So 4 1s are 4, -4, and 8s are 24. Or you will simplify this one. 4 1s are 4, and 4 6 are 24. That is -1 upon 6 is the answer. Or you will I'll firstly cut it down here, then very easy. यानी कि आप अगर यहाँ पर पहले इसको कट कर लोगे, that will be more easy. 4 1s are 4, 4s 2 are 8. So -1 upon 3 2 are 6. Okay. For fifth part, -2 upon 13 divided by 1 upon 2. Okay, so -2 upon 13 multiply 2 upon 1. So 2 2 are 4, 13 1s are 13. Sixth part, -7 upon 12 divided by minus 2 upon 13. Okay, so minus 7 upon 12, multiply sign 13 upon minus 2. So minus sign gets cancelled out and nothing will get cancelled. So 13 sevens are 91, 12 2 are 24. This will be your answer. Means multiplication and division is very easy, honestly speaking. But if you talking about addition subtraction, it will be quite very tough in comparison multiplication and division of the rational numbers, right? So last question of the exercise as well as of the chapter. 3 upon 13 divided by minus 4 upon 65. So you know that division sign change into multiplication and 65 upon 64 it will comes in this way. Okay, 13 ones are 13, 13 fives are 65. Okay, so it's very easy now. Now one is plus positive decimal number, one is negative, so answer will come always in negative. If this way, this way the question will be there. 5 are 15 and 4 ones are 4. And if you convert in standard form, minus 15 upon 4. Okay, so now this will be the answer. In this way, the chapter rational number will be finished from NCERT based syllabus. Okay, now your homework is complete these things, all the complete this exercise 9.1, 9.2, and extra homework that will be solve all examples. Okay, so from here, bye bye, and I hope the chapter is be understandable to each and everyone with concept wise and with question wise. If any doubts, let me know. You can tell me in the classes also. Means offline classes, you can tell me, no problem. If any doubts are there, but please go through with the videos. If any doubts, let me know, or you can write in comment box also. Okay. So bye bye from here. See you in the next videos.